Hi! In front of me is OPPO A2 and today I would like to show you how you can delete Google search bar from home screen. Firstly, you can simply hold your search bar and wait for remove option to show up. When it does, click on remove widget and confirm your choice by tapping on remove widget in the pop-up. You can also hold your device's screen. Click on remove icon at the top right corner of your search bar and confirm your choice in the same pop-up as before. Then tap on home button. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!